Good tomorrow, good tomorrow, good tomorrow, my people. Hello, 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 and welcome back to another day in my regular life. Happy Wednesday. I feel so much better today. It's just already feeling better today than it was yesterday. Yeah, I just been working, really. Working, drinking me coffee. Where the fuck are the crickets coming from? Girl. Go out of here. Shit. Yeah. It was a cricket. I got it out the door, but it scared me. Sorry. It's okay, baby. I just opened the door and kicked my shoes at it until it went out the door. Alright, y'all. I got y'all on my window this time, so I'm hoping that, you know, it don't look too bad, but I feel like the, what's the name, will be too hot. Too hot. So, I'm trying to decide if I want to do these nachos. Once I get them done by 3:30, he can eat and then go to work. So yeah, we're gonna do nachos. At first I wasn't gonna do the nachos, and I was gonna do the other thing he wanted. The other thing he wants is, he saw somebody just take a regular rotisserie chicken from the store and make a taquito out of it, basically. Wrap it up in a tortilla, cheese, fry it, you know, taquito. But we'll do that probably this weekend. I don't know, but right now it's 1:56. This day feels so long already. I don't know why, but right now it's 1:56, and we are going to hit Kroger. I don't feel like heading to Walmart, so we're gonna do Kroger. That's a nice house. I never realized that house was that nice. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Kroger and get what we need, and then we're gonna head back home, make the nachos. All right, y'all, let's get home. I forgot I ain't got no gas, chat. Now I'm out here in these streets with no gas. Yeah, y'all walking out of Kroger. I'm looking both ways, baby. I look to my left. This car is coming fast. Like, when you gotta slam on your brakes, you going too fast to the parking lot, babe. I'm sorry. Like, I was about to step off the curb. Hold on. Find a mount. I mean, I need to find a thing that I can go wrap around like a basket. You know, the ones with the, like, the adjustable feet on it, like you can wrap it around stuff. I need to find one of those, which those are pretty cheap, just so I can like keep that in the car, so when I do go into stores I can just wrap it around the basket, and that way I can have both my hands free while I record, you know what I mean? So there's a lot going on with that, trying to do the basket, look at my list, record, keep it on my face, and I like this. Then my husband called, so now I got the phone like this, trying to record. Like, baby, it was just a lot going on. So I promise I'm gonna get better and better, y'all, with these vlogs and stuff like that. I just feel like it was a lot going on today. Y'all, look at this. Spoiled, and she still got another pair coming. But these right here, I ain't gonna lie, these right here, they nice. They nice. I think this is, I've never had a pair of Jordans, but I think this is my favorite style of Jordan. But look at this, y'all. Look at this. And she still got one more pair coming for school.
Honey, what are you talking about?
Shh.
Don't shush me.
I wonder what the other pair gonna look like. But I've actually never had a pair of Jordans or Dunks, so I think for my birthday I'm asking for a pair of Jordans. These right here. Not this color, but this style. That's my favorite style. So I'm just gonna leave this like this so when she come back.
Honey, I'll get you something next.
No, I'll wait for my birthday.
That's a long way from now.
So when she come back home, she'll just have them sitting on her desk. I mean, on her bed, honey.
You gotta pay for those in 2 months.
Oh, I just want one pair of those. I can't remember what you said, 12 or 13.
That shit gonna be $200 and some dollars, bro.
Trying to call me Bigfoot?
My car is an adult.
All right, y'all. So let me get everything together for this dinner, cause all right, yeah. So we got the first layer of cheese on there. These are over here frying. These are gonna be extra juicy.
Now the second part, I don't know how to do that.
What you mean? Okay, well, focus in. Don't move it too much, man. Make people sick. So I'm just prying it off so it'll come off easy. I don't think it's gonna be like his. This definitely didn't turn out like his.
We tried.
We tried.
Man, that's a big ass pot of fucking nachos, bro. Who's gonna eat that shit? Oh shit, I lost focus.
Stir those things over there. Alright, then we're gonna put some sliced jalapenos on here. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, so here are the nachos. Ours are not as colorful as his because we don't eat all that other stuff. So. The shower I took it felt so fucking good. Like, that shower felt so good. Yeah, I remember yesterday in the car, I was saying like maybe Aunt Flo was about to come. That's why I was feeling that way yesterday. Aunt Flo came into town today. So that explains a lot. But I am proud of myself because usually the week leading up to it, baby, the cravings out of control. But I guess yesterday was just the only crazy. All right, y'all, so I did get a little bit hungry. It's a little bit past 8. I kind of missed my 8 o'clock window, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So what I'm eating is my favorite ramen noodles. These are my favorite. Let me show you what it is. And I'm just eating a few slices of thinly sliced beef and some eggs. It's supposed to be fried eggs, but kind of got a little scrambled. And that's my go-to meal when I'm hungry. The only other difference that I do sometimes is instead of the noodles, I'll do sticky rice that you just put in the microwave for like 90 seconds. Sticky rice with some sesame oil, salt and pepper on it. With this, it's like my Korean barbecue, and I can't get to Korean barbecue because I love me some Korean barbecue. Lord, I love me some Korean barbecue. But I'm just about to continue watching my movie. Once I get through eating, I'm going to continue playing the game. And if my movie's still going, watch my movie. But yeah, see you in a minute.